Hey there, Toolkit Besties. This is Risa from the Customer Happiness team, and we are so excited to show you our new custom GPT that is designed to help you create meaningful and evidence-based goals in just a few seconds. So to access that, we're going to head over to our Students tab, and then you'll just want to select the student that you want to create that goal for. So I'm going to select my student, Cameron, and then we're going to scroll down to the goals section in her student profile. And then to access that custom goal builder, I'm just going to click Help Me Write a Goal. And when I do that at the top of the page, I'll see that there's the AI Goal Builder. And so it's going to give me a brief little description on what it is. And then at the very top here, it's going to let me click on a link to access it. And something that I did just want to mention is this evidence-based goal builder was built through ChatGPT. So you'll want to make sure that you have created a free account with ChatGPT in order to access it. So once you've gone ahead and done that, you'll be taken right into our goal builder. And then you can just go ahead and ask it to create any goals that you'd like for your student. So let's say that I have a student who is working on answering WH questions using their AAC device. I'm going to go ahead and just ask it to build a goal for my 7-year-old student working on that skill. And when I do that, it's actually going to ask me to share some additional information just so that it can individualize that goal. So the first thing that it's going to ask me is for either the diagnosis or communication profile of that student. And then the next thing that it asks is the desired focus of where you'd like the student to use this goal. And then it's also going to ask for the functional setting for the goal. And last but not least, it's going to ask for the language variety or the dialect of that student if known. So once I've gone ahead and shared that information, it's going to go ahead and create a goal for my student. And so if you are happy with this goal, you can actually just go ahead and copy and paste it directly into the goal section of your student's profile. Or something I might want to do is maybe I want to create additional objectives to break down this goal even further. I'm just going to ask it to create additional objectives for this goal. And once I've gone ahead and done that, it's going to break my goal down into a few different short-term objectives for that student as well. So now that I have this information, what I can do is I can go ahead and copy this goal, and then I can just go over into my SLP Toolkit account and click Add My Own Goal, and then I can paste that information directly there. So that way I have that goal ready to go for my student. And then if I want to add objectives as well, I can click on the Actions button and then click Add Objective. Again, then I can just go right back into my custom GPT goal builder, copy those objectives and paste them here. I'll do that for just one more objective as well. Again, I'm just going to go in and copy and then paste it directly into my SLP Toolkit account. So that now my goals are listed here and I am good to go. There are also even a few built-in prompts that we have listed here that you can definitely check out as well. And we are so excited for you to try this out and see just how much easier and faster goal writing can be with the AI Goal Builder right by your side. And as always, if you have any questions or feedback, we are always here to help. Feel free to reach out to us at any time at hello@slptoolkit.com.